Sometimes you leave something behind, thinking you will never come back, but some things just wait for you.
4 years without uploading single video on this channel. Some of might remember this channel by another name, Technical Darshu. It's been a long time, and if you have already subscribed to this channel, you might be wondering, who is this?
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Yes, I am that person. Wait, let me give you some proof. Ready? Hi everyone, स्वागत है आपका फिर से न्यू और कमाल के फ्रेश इस वीडियो में. Still don't remember me? Wait, listen to this intro. I am sure you will remember me now. वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले अपने भाई का नाम पहचान लीजिए.
मेरा नाम है दर्शन और आप देखिए टेक्निकल दर्शु चैनल. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड.
Remember me now? Right, yeah, it's me. Maybe you didn't recognize me because not only has a setup changed, but my face might have changed too over this last 4 years. 4 years is a long time and a lot of has changed. Few years ago, this channel is all about video editing tutorials. I used to make videos because I really enjoyed editing. Back then, I thought it was just hobby. I never imagined that one day editing would become my career or even my future. I even worked really hard on this channel and got it monetized. But then I stopped uploading. Not because I stopped loving editing, but life took me in a different direction. After YouTube, I completed my post-graduation. Like most middle-class families, there was a one dream: study well, get a stable job, build a secure future. So that's exactly what I did. I left my hometown and moved to Ahmedabad for my first job as a front-end developer. Honestly, it felt amazing. My first office, my first salary, my first professional experience, everything looked perfect. But something was missing. Every day, I was writing code, but my mind was thinking about editing. I didn't want to build a website, I wanted to build stories. I didn't want to spend my whole time writing a code. I wanted to work on timeline and create something. That's when I realized sometimes a good career is not a right career for you. I made one of the biggest decisions of my life. I left my coding job. I come back to my hometown and I joined a media agency. That decision changed everything for me. I learned new tools. I learned better way to edit. I learned how professional editing works. I edited hundreds of short form and long form videos. Every project made me a better editor. But there was still one problem. My office was a 50 km away from my village. That means 100 kilometers of travel every single day. Waiting for buses, long roads, late evening, less time, less energy. It was getting harder every day, and one thought kept coming back. I wanted to build something of my own, something that was mine, something where I could create, learn, and grow in my own way. So in December 2025, I made another big decision. I left my video editing job. And in January 2026, I started my freelancing journey. It wasn't easy, but that is a story for another video. Because today, I just wanted to tell you why I have disappeared and why I am coming back. 4 years ago, I started this journey as a technical Darshu, and today I am coming back as a professional video editor. A lot has changed. I have changed. My work has changed. My life has changed. But that one thing never changed. I still love editing. People say, follow your passion. But I have learned something different. Sometimes you don't find your passion finds you. Mine was always editing. I just needed time to realize it. This isn't just new video. This isn't just a return. This is my comeback. A comeback isn't about returning to where you left. It's about coming back as someone stronger. I just wanted to tell everyone I am finally come back on YouTube. Hi, I am Darshan and you are watching darshu.edit. Thank you. The comeback starts now.